Today we will be talking about Zoom. This tutorial will focus on Zoom video and display. We'll discuss how to test video before a meeting, how to test video during a meeting, how to rotate your camera before a meeting, how to rotate your camera during a meeting, how to show and hide yourself, ways to touch up your appearance, how to add a virtual background, ways to change video layout and view, the way to hide non-video participants, how to pin and unpin a video, how to use far-end camera, and how to set a dual monitor display. If you want to test your video before a meeting, click on Settings. Go to Video. You'll see a preview of your video screen. From here, if you have another camera, you can change your camera, and you can change the view from widescreen to original and see which you like better. You can also tilt your camera to change the angle of your video. From your video settings, you can also rotate your image. So if you click on this button that says Rotate 90 degrees, you can rotate your image until your video looks the way you want it to. From within video settings, you can also touch up your appearance by clicking on Touch Up My Appearance. What this will do is it will retouch your video with a softer focus to create a polished display to present to others. Other video effects you'll find in video settings are Enable HD, Enable Mirror Effect, Enable Hardware Acceleration, Always Display Participants' name on their video, Turn off my video when joining a meeting, Hide non-video participants, Spotlight my video when I speak, and display up to 49 participants per screen in gallery view. There are also some advanced features for video. So to get to advanced features, you go to Settings, and instead of going to Video, you go to Advanced Features, click Enable Advanced Features. This will take you to the Zoom web client portal. Some of the unique video features include far-end camera control, which allows another user to take control of your camera during a meeting. If you would like this setting, make sure it's blue, which shows it's enabled. You can do a group HD video to activate higher quality video for hosts and participants. This will use more bandwidth. If you want this setting to be enabled, click it to the right to enable it. It will turn blue. And you can set a virtual background, which allows users to replace their background with a selected image. You choose or upload an image in the Zoom desktop application settings, and then this image appears as your virtual background. Click blue if you'd like to enable the setting. So now let's see about video settings from within a meeting. If you want to test your video within a meeting, click on the arrow next to your video camera. Click on Video Settings. From here, you will be able to see a preview of your video. You can select a different camera if you have one, change whether it displays in widescreen or original ratio, and move your computer to change the angle of your image. You can also rotate 90 degrees until your image is as you want it to look. At any point during a meeting, you can show your video or hide your video. To do so, click on the video camera icon. If you want to turn your video off, click on the icon again. If you remember, when we went to Advanced Features, we allowed it so that we could set a virtual background. So here's how you do it once you're in a meeting. Click on the up arrow next to Start Video. Go to Choose a Virtual Background. You can select a background which you'd like. And when you're done, X out. Turn on Start Video, and you'll notice your background appears in the background. You can use Active Speaker View, a Gallery View, or a Mini View within Zoom when no one is sharing. If someone is sharing, you can use Side-by-Side Mode, Gallery View, or Active Speaker View. In addition, Zoom has a Hide Non-Video Participants option. To enter Full Screen Mode, hit the Full Screen button. To exit full screen mode, hit the Exit Full Screen button. Gallery View shows all your participants in a gallery. Click on Gallery View to see Gallery View. Speaker view focuses on the speaker's video. Click on speaker view to show speaker view. To put Zoom in a mini window, click on the minimize icon. From here, you'll notice a mini window with the Zoom options, including making your Zoom hidden, muting and unmuting, showing and hiding video, and popping back up to the maximize screen. If someone else is sharing his or her screen, you can go to View Options to see side-by-side mode. This will show the share screen and the participants' videos side by side. If you're in Gallery View, you can hide non-video participants. Click on a participant who isn't showing his or her video, click on the three dots icon, and hit Hide Non-Video Participant. Now you don't see that video participant. If you would like to show participants again, hit Total Non-Participants, then hit Show Non-Video Participants. To access video settings, we can click on the up arrow next to the video camera and go to Video Settings. This brings us back to the video settings we showed earlier in the video. So here, I can choose to turn off my video when joining a meeting. This means that I will always have my video turned off as I join a meeting. I will need to turn it on manually. You can also turn off your video before joining a meeting by going to Join, choosing a meeting, clicking Turn Off My Video, and clicking Join. Now your video will not be showing when you join this meeting. You can choose to pin a video so that you only view a certain speaker. This only affects your local view. It won't impact anyone else's view. Click on the three dots next to that person's video and click on Pin Video. This will make it so that this is the video that is pinned to your screen. If you want to unpin the video, click on Unpin Video. If you remember, when we went to advanced settings for video, we were talking about using far-end camera control. So once you're in a meeting, if you want to use far-end camera control, you can click on somebody else's video or camera, and you click on the three dots icon. From here, go to Request Camera Control. You'll need to wait for that person to approve your request. If the person hits Accept, you'll now be controlling that person's camera. You can click on the Switch Camera icon to switch between your camera and their camera. If you're using two different monitors and you want to be able to use both during a Zoom meeting, go to Settings. In your general settings, you'll see an option to use dual monitors. If you are using screen sharing with dual monitors, you can see your screen share on one monitor and participants on a second monitor. If you would like additional support, refer to the ITS Learning Hub for videos, quick start guides, helpful links, quick tips, training resources, challenge activities, and frequently asked questions. You can also check out the SDCOE Yammer for tips and tricks. You can contact the SDCOE Professional Learning and Technology Research Team for customized training and coaching. Contact stacy.block@sdcoe.net. You can call the SDCOE Help Desk for immediate assistance or go to tech support in room 205.